Have you noticed that hospitals are becoming digital lately? Well, artificial intelligence is one of the biggest reasons why. Welcome to Smart Care Way. I am Samuel Awowo. Let's engineer the healthcare future together. The interesting thing is, AI in health is no longer futuristic technology. It's already happening now. Now, many hospitals around the world are already using AI systems to help doctors, detect diseases earlier, monitor patients faster, and even reduce medical errors. For example, AI can now analyze medical images like X-rays, CT scans, MRIs in seconds. Companies like Google have developed an AI system to assist in detecting breast cancers with a very high accuracy. And in some cases, this system can identify abnormalities that humans might miss because of their very busy schedules. Another area where AI is making a huge impact is patient monitoring. In many hospitals today, AI systems continuously monitor patients' vital signs like heart rate, oxygen level, temperature, and even blood pressure. Now, the goal is to predict emergencies before it becomes very critical. For example, some hospitals use AI sepsis alert system integrated into, electronic medical records. Sepsis is a life-threatening condition that can become very deadly if not quickly detected. According to, CDC, which is the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, at least 1.7 million adults in the United States develop sepsis every year. And early detection is extremely important for survival. So imagine an AI system constantly analyzing patients' data, warning healthcare workers before patients' conditions get worse. That could literally save lives. Another interesting developments is AI medical documentation, which is one of the major problems doctors face globally. As a result of burnouts from work, paperwork and documentation. Some studies have really shown that doctors spend as much time documenting as they spend with patients. Now, AI tool is helping solve this problem. Platforms like Microsoft Dragon Copilot can listen to a doctor and patient's conversation and then automatically generate clinical notes. So instead of the doctor spending hours typing reports, doctors can now focus more on patient care. And honestly, as someone who has worked in the hospital system myself for years, I think this is one of the most practical use of AI in the healthcare space. Now, one thing people always ask is, will AI replace doctors? Personally, I don't think so, at least not anytime soon. What we are actually seeing is AI becoming a supportive tool for healthcare professionals. Doctors still make the final decisions, but AI can help them work faster, analyze larger amounts of information, and even reduce fatigue. And this becomes even more important in countries where hospital is overcrowded with shortage of healthcare workers. This is one reason I find South Korea very interesting. In South Korea, heavy investment is made on smart hospital, digital healthcare systems, AI diagnosis and robotics, and connected healthcare infrastructure. Honestly, seeing these technologies, in action really shows that the future of healthcare is really going faster than we think. At the same time, I also think about Africa because, many African hospitals still struggle with limited number of staffs, manual records, long waiting times, and very fragmented systems. And I truly believe that technology like AI, digital records, and smart healthcare system could help improve the system. So the future of healthcare may not just be about doctors, more doctors, or more hospitals. It will be more about smart systems. And the truth is, the future is already here. So would you like AI to be part of your healthcare experience? Drop that in the comment section. I see you in the next video. Bye for now.